In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a purge valve solenoid on a Chevy Cruze. Yeah, so my daughter-in-law had a check engine light came on and it pulled up code P0442, and that's a EVAP, it has a leak in the EVAP system. And you always want to start with the most simple thing first. And one of the most common problems is the gas lid. It's either off or loose. So always check that. And what this issue is, it's basically just leaking vapor. And that can cause some problems. For one, you can smell gas outside the car and vapors get into the atmosphere. It can cause the car to get a little difficult to start after you fill it up. Could give it a rough idle, and of course, decrease your fuel mileage. So that's it's nothing that's going to shut your car down. You're going to be able to drive with it, but it is going to create some minor issues. But yeah, always check your gas lid first. So I did a little, that was fine. So I did a little research, and it said the purge valve solenoid, that is real common for those to quit working. To locate this is very simple. It's right there on top. You don't have to take any parts off. It's very easy to locate, very easy to test and replace. If you're needing this part, I put a link down in the description, and you can check that out. I'm just showing the underhood sticker here. It shows it's a 2013 1.4 liter. This will work on a 2012 to 2015 Chevy Cruze. And I'm just kind of giving you an overall picture so you have a good idea of where this is at. But getting up close on that hose going to that purge valve, there's a clip on it that I have to push down on. And once that clip is pushed down, you can pull out on that hose and it'll come right off. And now I'm going to disconnect the plug that's on there. You push on the back side, pull out, and that'll come right off. And now I'm going to test it to see if there's any vacuum on there, which there should not be. And it is, I can feel the suction on my finger. So this tells me that this purge valve is bad and it will need to be replaced. I got the new one in, and I'm just checking to make sure everything looks the same. I always like to do that just to make sure the part looks the same. And so I've got the whole assembly here, which is the hose, and I'll have to take that other part off here in a minute. But now here's the actual purge valve right here. Just putting it up there, making sure everything is going to be the same. Everything looks, the same, and it's going to plug up right. Okay, here's the other part I got to take off, and you just squeeze in right there, and that'll pop right out, and that one will come out. Now I've got the new one. I'm going to put that one end back in. And first I'm going to connect this. Just want to make sure it's snug. Everything should snap whenever it's on good. So I've got that on. I'm going to feed it through there. I'm putting the boot onto the anchor right there. So that's already on. Push that back. And then I'll secure the other end. Okay, make sure everything's good and tight. Now I'm going to push that in, and again, you should hear it snap a little bit. You should be able to feel it. And you want to make sure everything's secure. Pull on everything and make sure everything's good and tight. Now I'm going to the other end. I'm putting that clip back in the hose, and I'll get it on part way there. Then I'll push the hose on and then push that clip up, and that should clip right on. You should hear it make a snap, and then you always want to test it, make sure it is a good fit. Now I'm getting the plug, and I'm plugging the wire back in. Again, push it on till you feel it snap, and that should be good. So we've got it all connected. Really quick job. Doesn't take very long to do this job. And I don't get to say this much, but it was quick, fast, and no tools required. So we cleared the code. The check engine light has not came back on, so that fixed it for this vehicle. That wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.